Good morning. We are heading to Stuttgart, Germany. We should be driving like 3 hours. So our new adventure begins. Well, goodbye, my room. Been nice. Thank you so much. I got a message. I don't care. Let's go. Everything's clear now. Time to go, baby.
Finish?
Finito.
Ja, finish. Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Gute
Danke.
Reise. Bis nächstes Mal.
Vielen Dank.
Ja, bitte.
Bye. Where you were going? ¿Dónde tú ibas?
Para el carro.
Lo ve. De vez me decía, no, mami está ya esperándote. Sí, no, si la vi que se metió ahí. So all of that, it's gonna go here. Say what? And here. And here. Mamma mia. Love to move. Moving in a car from another country to another country is the best. Back in Germany, back in the Autobahn, the land of the Autobahn. You can go as fast as you want or as fast as your car can go. In my case, I'm fully loaded, 4-cylinder, so I don't want to, overstress my little car, but I'm moving, doing 130 Ks, like 85 miles an hour. That's not bad. Jadiel here, and my co-pilot. We're doing good. And my other co-pilot. Everything we on is here. We're almost. I'm Boa. Strayawayfelix. Follow me.
Mehr als 56% der Wähler, die sich für die FDP-Liste entschieden, wählten mit ihrer Erststimme Direktkandidaten
That beautiful?
der Parteien. Demnach erhielten
You gotta love the Autobahn.
34% die meisten
No
Stimmen
tolls.
von Anhängern
It's all
der
free.
Parteien.
No holes on the road. No potholes.
Der Bayerische
We got
Landtag hat am
Stuttgart 176. Well, we'll make a quick stop. We have maybe 1 hour more drive to Stuttgart. We stop at this kind of strange place. A lot of horns in there, but kind of, I don't know, that's not German. Does that look German to you? I don't know. I thought they were ice creams or something. There's Ali. We're gonna get some coffee and this, I don't know. Dali, I think we got lost. This is not Germany. This is not the Germany I know. What's going on here? Look at this. Too much art for me. Oh, let's see. See? There you are. Just like the one in you know where. Yeah. Willkommen. That's pretty neat. It's a map of the planet. And I can see what? I can see Puerto Rico right there. That's my little island. Love Puerto Rico. And there's Sally. everything, man. It's dropping everything off. Hey.
Gió sao liền rất
Oh, ma'am. Hello.
Alo?
Hello. Có cái không phong. Giờ là cái có hiếu. Now you can give me some coffee.
I can wait.